Welcome back to this Audioversity series about RIVAGE PM systems. Now we're going to explore three key concepts of RIVAGE: sound, operability, and reliability. Let's start with the sound, because without it, we won't have any job to do. Well, you could retrain as a lighting engineer, but thankfully there's no need, because the sound quality and character of the system is second to none. Since the launch of the first RIVAGE PM10, its reputation has only grown, and Rupert Neve Designs has played a big part to play in that. Firstly, using silk in the hybrid mic preamps to add musical harmonics and accurately resemble the response of vintage analog preamp circuits. Then, by incorporating a host of Rupert Neve Designs plugins, recreating the sounds of his legendary analog EQs, compressors, and the primary source enhancer, the incredible 5045. There are also some wonderful reverb, delay, and modulation plugins from Eventide, and a 64-channel auto mixer from Dan Dugan. And we have to mention the recent dynamic noise suppressor called Dance, which is truly game-changing at cleaning up noise pollution. Using all these tools in combination, with delay compensation of course, provides the perfect sound palette for audio artists of all musical genres. And you're going to run out of time before you run out of processing power. Talking of which, the next concept, operability. When you could have over 250 input channels and more than 100 output channels to configure, set, and mix, it's essential to have a user interface that allows a fast and fluid workflow. A key element of RIVAGE PM consoles is the selected channel. Particularly with the PM7 and PM10 consoles, you get hands-on access to all the main channel parameters, which can be operated without needing to stare at a screen. With the PM5, a multi-touchscreen workflow has been created for a different style of operation. It can work extra fast for those who prefer it. Central logic is another Yamaha workflow concept. You can quickly select which group of channels to view on the faders and the screen, with the channel strip running up the console in a classic analog fashion. You can also touch the meter bridge to quickly access the channels you're watching. And now, with multiple screens and fader bays, RIVAGE supports comfortable operation from two people, each with their own selected channel and cue bus. You'll be able to make use of many new shortcuts too, like the temporary channel link using Shift, the quick channel copy for mix send parameters, scene preview mode, and a really easy method for live recording and virtual sound check. Now let's talk about reliability. Of course, this has been a Yamaha speciality for decades, particularly with the legendary PM series of mixing consoles, many of which had a life in service of 20 years and more. Even if the environment you're working in is problematic, RIVAGE is designed to help. The smooth faders on all PM consoles are designed for long life and continuous use. The capacitive touchscreens are extra bright for use in daylight. Each hardware component is carefully selected and designed for continuous use in high ambient temperatures without overheating. Each device has dual power supplies for stability. Use one on a UPS, the other with a direct connection. And each cable connection between the system components has redundancy. A cable break will not interrupt audio. It will just show a warning on the screen, allowing you to continue working normally. The system is truly robust and well designed for easy servicing, if it's ever required, and built for a life on tour. You can ask any existing Rivage PM owner, and I'm sure they'll give a good testimony. Please join me again next time when I'll compare the different consoles and DSP engines in the Rivage lineup. See you then.